Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee. We are driving along First Avenue in one of the city's oldest and most historic districts. This street runs beside the Cumberland River and sits at the heart of downtown Nashville's early commercial development. In the early 1800s, riverboats arrived here carrying goods and passengers, making this waterfront area the center of trade and transportation for the growing town. Warehouses, shipping offices, and wholesale businesses lined the riverfront. Some of these historic buildings still stand today, carefully preserved and repurposed into restaurants, shops, and entertainment venues.
Thank you very much.
Nashville itself was founded in 1779 along the banks of the Cumberland River. Named after Revolutionary War General Francis Nash, the settlement quickly grew because of its strategic river location and fertile surrounding land. By the early 1800s, Nashville had become an important center for commerce, education, and government in the region. In the 20th century, Nashville gained worldwide recognition as the center of country music, especially after the launch of the Grand Ole Opry in 1925. Radio broadcasts carried Nashville's music across the nation, helping shape American popular culture. Over the decades, the city expanded beyond music into healthcare, education, technology, and tourism, becoming one of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the United States. Today, Nashville is known for its vibrant downtown, historic neighborhoods, and creative energy.